What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. When I need advice, I go to my trusted friend. So I found this on Amazon. You might remember something like this called the Magic 8-Ball, which looked like a big 8-ball, billiards ball. And it was filled with liquid and had, I don't know how many sides of like a die inside with different phrases. And so you could ask questions, even open-ended questions. Didn't have to be yes or no, but I think those were the easiest. Ooh, this thing is like really glued in there. They want that to be oriented one way when it shows in the box. So you're gonna have to try this out. But you could ask all sorts of fun stuff back in the day, and it was whimsical. Now this one has a crying while laughing emoji. It's probably about the same size as I remember, and we have a floating ball in there. And it says right there, try later. So I could ask something like, will Mila Kunis leave Ashton for Peter Von Panda? Not a prayer. Clearly not very accurate. Some dark liquid in there, and obviously you can see the dye in there. All right, will Peter Von Panda ever become famous? Ask Grandpa, that's cute. Will Peter Von Panda become rich? Not likely. I agree. How about, will this channel ever become really popular? Try later. How about other things? Oh, more try later. I didn't even ask a question. I guess that's what they were saying. Should I get a Magic 8-Ball? Looks like it. Yeah, I guess that's probably about right. And, you know, should we do a giveaway on the channel now? Ask Grandpa. No. No! Not likely. So, I don't know how many responses there are on here, but you can see we're getting some of the same ones. Bet on it. Ooh, yeah. I wouldn't say bet on my Lions, but, so, little fun. You can ask it anything, and it will give you some sort of answer. You might not like it though. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. It was only like $6. A lot of fun for $6. Peter Von Panda. Out.